the sky's tearing from the something falls. Like a thought, the tennis ball flies into the air. It doesn't hit the ground, doesn't run away, but bounces off my head, bounces back to the heights invisible. Another bounce a couple meters before, and it starts dancing on me like it's my friend. My rhythm takes me and my ass stops for a moment. Then I start wondering what's really moving here, and why we're even living in this moment. All good too, falling down, you know, apple good through. Also, the meter say they're moving towards the core of the walk below. Center of Earth, you know. Yeah, but what if this is an illusion? What if everything just expanding and nothing is pulling? We are caught in the air that pushes us forward, and that too may be confusing. In the nuclei of atoms there is a quiet, but very fast energy. The dark expanding energy is scattered into the space, which turns into particles when it is captured. Photons are created, electrons are created, and everything I see travels from the edges of the expanding retina. The more below the expanding Earth, you know, doesn't pull, it pushes us away from expanding Earth's center. The expanding core expands the surface, and I stay with it because I'm expanding my legs too. And the tennis ball dances, it doesn't know about theories, it keeps bouncing around like it's the only permanent point in the history of physics. My eyes are expanding, so all the meters, everything seems permanent, even though nothing is permanent. And even if the apple falls, it's moving towards the center of the more below. Center Earth, you know, it could be an illusion if and when everything is also expanding. If you wanna get away from this expanding more below, expanding Earth, I mean, and you know, you need an expanding rocket boost, fuel burns, expanding, exploding from the heat. We make it expand faster, and thus we have the thrust to escape the surface of the expanding below. I mean, surface of the expanding Earth, glowing. It rises into the air, breaks free, pushes away from the expanding Earth's expanding arms. What time, hiker, tell, oh, yes, something what you have to ask people who understand Finnish language. And the expanding tennis ball, it doesn't stop. It bounces on my head like a super ball on asphalt. Maybe everything is an eternal cycle. We would be the eternal one who experiences everything. And even though everything expands in the visible universe, it doesn't be silent, it whispers. Maybe the life is a dance and not a single bounce is ever wasted.